In the vlog's crying. She's sad. Inday. 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 Ari be. Inday. Ari be, nanto dari be. Nganong hinghilak man ka? Ali dari be. Ali be, nanto ka mama. Nganong hinghilak man ka?
Mama, sana naman ang iba tayo ni Motel.
Unsa may namatay?
Nangiring naman.
Belantaw dari be. Inday vlogs. She's sad because her 3 kitten is dying. When she come in home, the 3 kittens already dead because the some cat eating the kitten. Alik na mama. Alik mama, hug mama. Hug lang ni mama, alik na. Love lang ni mama, alik na. Alik mama. Alik mama. Oh, she's very sad. Oh, she's very sad because her 3 kitten die because eating the cat. Hilam na. Hilam na. Tuloy yan. Yan lang, mga anak pa man na simingkay. Mga anak pa simingkay.
Mana mo dako, ma?
Ha?